Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my current skincare routine. Thank y'all so much for all the support on my last two videos. I am so thankful. I really appreciate all the support. Just please don't forget to like. So I'm just going to get started. Okay, so I just got out of the shower. What I'm going to use to wash my face is this Bioré Blue Agave plus baking soda balanced pore cleanser. I have combination skin, so this is what it's for, specifically for. This is what I've been using, and I've actually really been liking it. So I'm gonna put my little headband on. I got this at TJ Maxx. And if you guys are wondering, I got this robe from Ross, and it's super comfy. I love it so much. So I just do that. It has these little like beads or something, and they feel so nice. So I just put my mic on, and I'm curious to see how it's gonna work. I hope it just like makes my voice sound a lot better. After I just cleansed, I get my toner, Dickinson's Enhanced Witchhazel Hydrating Toner. Because I noticed that the Witchhazel was drying out my skin a little bit, the regular one that I was using. This one is alcohol free, it has rose water. I just put a little bit on this cotton ball and go ahead, put it on. You know, this is awesome for like when you've had makeup on, and see, like I like to do it like in my neck because that's where a lot of the time my makeup isn't like 100% washed off, and yeah, it just makes my skin feel super clean and takes off like so much dirt and just gunk that's on your face. Sometimes I'll be so surprised with how much makeup is still on my face, like after I've washed my face. It's crazy. So yeah, this toner is awesome. I use it every day. I don't do face masks every day, but for this video I decided to do a face mask, and it is also Sunday, so I try to do a face mask on Sundays to just kind of relax and get ready for the week. Yeah. This face mask I'm using is one that I found at Target on clearance, $1.74. It is this aloe cleansing, refreshing, natural extract facial mask. It says to place it on clean face for 10 to 20 minutes. So I'm just going to unravel it, put it on my face. I have a large face. Oh, I hate the cold. It's so cold. Most of the time, these sheet masks don't fit my face. So that's annoying. Do this, and then I've seen some people get their Jade roller. I got this on Amazon. Wait, did I get it on Amazon? It's at TJ Maxx too. But just roll it. It's called a Jade roller, and this is supposed to be really good for what is it good for? It feels really nice. So I'm just chilling with this mask on. Yeah. And I am just super annoyed with my iPhone because I only like cleared all my photos out because I kept getting the not enough storage like thing come up. So I cleared all my photos. I got the Google Photos app. I put all my pictures on there. I had like thousands of pictures, so I was like, this is going to make so much room in my phone. So I deleted all my pictures from my camera roll, and my storage went down, but now it's back to like not having enough storage, and I'm like, what the heck? Like, it's like an issue with Apple because Literally, like, what's taking up so much of my storage is the other. Like, on the other, it's like literally like 30 gigabytes of storage, and I'm like, I forgot to say, I also deleted all my music.
And
like, literally all my music is gone, just so I could record these videos, you know, and it's just super annoying. Oh yeah, I also wanted to show y'all these gummies I just got. I'm gonna take one of these probably right now, actually, since I'm getting ready for bed. They're melatonin gummies. I have trouble sleeping all the time. I usually take like the regular melatonin, but these just taste so good. Okay, but I'm gonna take this off now. Ooh, amazing. Oh yeah. Okay. My big ass head. LMAO. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and rub that serum from the mask into my skin because it just feels really nice, and I just wanted to like get in the pores. Okay, and then the last step, this little mic I got, I feel like Britney Spears.
It's Britney, bitch.
So now I'm gonna use my my elf primer. What the look? Hydrating moisturizer. It's my favorite moisturizer right now. It's so good. This jojoba oil, jojoba oil, I think. But it just feels so nice, like literally so nice. I heard you're supposed to go up, but sometimes I don't do that, to be honest, because I forget. My cousin gave me this, like the same material as this Jade roller, and you just kind of do the same thing with the serum. That you like do this. Honestly, I don't really know what it does, but I just see people do it. But this is how you do it. That completes my skincare. Don't use any like sprays or anything like that. I used to use Mario Badescu spray that everyone uses, but I heard that it's really bad for your skin, so I stopped using it. Okay, before I end the video, I just wanted to share with you guys a few tips that have helped my skin a lot. Number one, hydrate. Make sure to drink plenty of water. I currently am using this huge gallon, and I don't drink the whole gallon, but I fill it up about halfway. My skin always looks the best when I'm hydrated. Number two is a healthy diet. Make sure you're eating clean. I noticed that when I eat fast food, my skin tends to break out. So yeah, number three, stress management is very important. So something that helps me a lot with that is these, also Ollie Goodbye Stress supplements. GABA is like supposed to help with your stress levels. It's like a relaxed state of mind to help like combat stress. I feel like it does help me a lot on my really stressful days, just not stress so much. And also a great stress reliever is working out. I work out pretty much every day. It doesn't even have to be like intense workout. I mean, just go for a walk, a run, yoga. Like literally, I encourage you guys to find a stress outlet because that helps me so much. Like literally, I don't even work out every day so much for the physical aspect, or like not physical, but like the aesthetic aspect, more so like for my mental health. Like now it has done wonders for my mental health. I could be having the worst day. Once I get my workout in, I am fine and I feel so much better because my serotonin levels are increased and it makes me feel really happy. So yeah, I just wanted to share those tips with you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Happy Monday. Please hit the like button. It's like crazy because there's so many of you guys that are watching, but only like 22 people liked my last video, which thank you, all of you 22 people. Y'all are amazing. But the rest of you guys, please don't forget to like my video, okay? It would mean so much to me, and I appreciate it so much. So also don't forget to subscribe so that you never miss an upload. Okay, have a beautiful week. Okay, love you. Bye.